Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Power BI datasets refreshed by AI, full guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Power BI datasets refreshed by AI, ensure that you have the necessary permissions to access both the datasets and the associated. First, open your Power BI service in your web browser. Navigate to your workspace where the datasets you want to backup are located. In the workspace, locate the dataset you wish to backup, and click on it to open the Options menu. Select the Settings option from the menu. Within the Settings pane, scroll down to the Data Source Credentials section. Check if the dataset is configured to refresh correctly and ensure that there are no connection issues. Next, navigate back to your workspace dashboard. Locate the report that connects to the dataset you are backing up. Open the report and review the visuals to confirm that they display the expected data. Return to the dataset in the workspace and click on the More options, the three dots, next to the dataset. From the drop-down menu, select Export to File. Choose your preferred export format, such as Power BI Template or Power BI. After selecting the format, click Export and wait for the file to be generated. Once the export process is complete, you will receive a notification with a download link. Click on the download link to save the exported file to your local computer. Store the backed up files in a secure location, such as a cloud storage service or an external hard drive. To verify the success of the backup, open the downloaded file in Power BI Desktop. Check that the dataset and report visuals are intact and reflect the data as expected. For ongoing backups, consider setting a regular schedule for exporting your datasets. Additionally, document your backup process to ensure consistency and reliability in future backups. With these steps, you can successfully backup your Power BI datasets refreshed by AI, ensuring their safety and continuity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.